Hey guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back with another video. This time, I'm going to be showing you guys how to update your Sony a7 Mark III. And this is the firmware update 3.0. This update, I think Sony released it like almost 1 or 2 months ago. And I just bought my camera and I realized the recent update, and the update is good because there are a lot of features, new features for this. The most important is animal eye autofocus. That is great. So stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm going to be showing you guys all the different steps in which you can update your Sony a7 Mark III. The process is different. On a smartphone, update is very simple, but on a camera, it's different. So stay tuned to the end of the video. For this process, you need a Windows PC or MacBook, the micro USB cable that comes with the camera, and above all, you need the camera battery to be at least 70%. So once you get everything, you get into any browser and type on Google search. Once you're there, you look for Sony a7rii firmware 3.0. But I'm going to drop the link in the description below so you can simply click on it and it takes you to the download process. Now, once you get it, you scroll down to a7rii or a7rii firmware update. You type on it. Then it takes you to this page. You scroll right down to the bottom of the page. Now you select which camera you got. There is the a7rii or the a7 III. So this is what I got, the a7 III. I tap on it. Then you scroll down to the bottom again. Right here, you have this system software. Either you got a Windows or MacBook. So I got Windows, tap on it. Once you tap on it, the process is going to start. When you tap on it just like this, then it takes you to this page where you can download. You tap on download, then you choose the location where you want the file to get into. Now, once you're done downloading, like right now, mine is right here on the desktop. That is it right here. I'll double tap on it. Takes a minute. At this level, what you need to do is to turn on the camera. Then you get into the menu option. You scroll to setup for right here, as you can see. Then you scroll down to USB connection. Make sure to select mask storage. You select it. Then you go back. Now you connect the camera with the computer, just like this, using the USB, micro USB, not the USB Type-C. So plug it in just like this. And the next thing you gotta do is to click on next on the computer right here. Click on next. That's it. Next again. So right now, the camera is being resetting. As you can see right here, automatically reset the camera. So what I'm going to do is I'll pause the video, then we get back after the update is completed. Then we check out and find out what are some of the new features on this Sony a7 Mark III. Stay tuned to the end of the video. The update is completed and it doesn't take that long, very few minutes. Now it's running on the version 3.1, the lens 03. And now let's check out some of the new features. Let's get into the first camera. Then we scroll to page 6. Scroll down to face and eye autofocus set. right here, there is now animal eye display. You make sure to turn it on. And subject dictation, either you can choose animal or face or human. So I choose human. And there is also the face and eye in autofocus. So make sure to turn this on. And what else? Face detection frame display. Make sure to turn it on. So those are the new features that comes with the update. And let's also go back to camera 2 and see if there's any other new feature. I don't know about this one, view on TV. I think this is new also, view on TV. And what else? Let's see. I think that's all about the update. Those are the few features that come with it. Nothing much. Scroll down to area settings. It's the same thing. So that's all. And when you get into the camera, so everything is still the same. So that's all about the new features that comes with the version 3.1. Mostly the animal eye autofocus. And I think there's also the hyperlapse. I'm going to check it out and I'll tell you guys more about this update when I'm doing the full and honest review about this camera. So stay tuned to that video. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe so you won't miss out those videos coming up on Big Phil TV.